Are you ready for a challenge? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Catnap Crafts and create some truly adorable and monstrous creations. But that's not all. I challenge you to create your own version of Catnap. Who hasn't seen those mini smiling critters in their kawaii version? I fell in love with them, so I decided to make my own super cute Catnap plush. I started by making the templates with the studio tool. With just a few supplies and a lot of patience, you can have your own adventure buddy. It's so easy, even a kitten could do it.
I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not talking to you.
If you want to see any of the ideas in more depth, I've left the link to each tutorial in the video description.
To hold on, wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need your hair, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the wrong for me. Let go. Let me go.
Have you ever imagined owning your very own Catnap pendant? Today, your wish will come true. With a little bit of cardboard and hot glue, you can have a 3D version of the moon-shaped pendant. Don't forget to paint it gold for the finishing touch. Ever dreamed of bringing your favorite Poppy Playtime character to life? To make it, I was inspired by a 3D model so I could see what it looked like from every angle. Then I had to choose what kind of fabric I was going to use for my plush. So, get ready to put your sewing and sculpting skills to the test.
Just wanna love you.
Since this was my first realistic plush, I didn't have enough skills to cover the head with fabric, so I decided to use some white glue and cotton to cover all the foam that I had used for the base of the head. If you want to make your catnap completely out of fabric, you can check out the tutorial where I made Dog Day's head using a template. If you want to make the head without needing a template, I'll also leave you the link to the Crafty Corn tutorial. What other Poppy Playtime character would you like to see turned into a craft? Now it's your turn. Create your own version of Catnap. Use the materials you have on hand and share your creation with me using the hashtag #CatnapChallenge. Let's see what you can come up with. Who would you challenge to make his own catnap? Share the video with him to join the challenge. Let's turn our mini school supplies into works of art. With these mini catnap school supplies, studying will be so much more fun. Plus, you'll have an army of mini catnaps with you everywhere.
Circles in my mind right now, and it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we both feel like I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I drown, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than to let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that moment.
For the most advanced, we have this incredible realistic plush of the most monstrous version of Catnap. It's a more challenging project, but the result will be spectacular. Have you ever made a plush? Share your experiences in the comments.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, 'cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, I'm in it. 'Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. please give me some more. I could dance with you beneath the stars. Cause when I want it, then I want it, yeah, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that. And I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now I'm in it. I feel kinda dizzy when I'm staring at you. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here.
A little trick to make the eyes more expressive is to use 2 pearl pins and paint the pupil black.
Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Like that, yeah.
I hope this video has inspired you to create your own catnap crafts. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with all your smiling critters loving friends. See you in the next project.
Yeah, I'm fucking